So I think the entire like Automation Anywhere, we work with the sales team and talk about these new features. It has really helped us to get to know like what is happening, what is coming, and what is going to come, and then we try to pilot it and see if it makes sense, if it helps, and then try to implement it. Like for example, document automation is something that from iCuba to document automation, we have a couple of licenses that we would like to try and do some POCs around it. And
right.
So those are the areas that we have been focusing on.
And it's nice because you're in one platform, right? And yet you have all the different capabilities, and you can sort of plug them in where you need.
And speaking of that platform, we have effectively been using the hyper-automation use cases, meaning trying to use RPA or Automation 360 as entire orchestration of the solution.
Right.
We have the end-to-end business problem here. Whatever AI services we need to use,
right,
that is completely up to the use case.
Yes.
And then everything else remains intact. And then we have been trying to do a lot of POCs around that and gaining a lot of traction. So
I love it.
That's super cool. That's super cool.
I love that.
I love having like you have that strong foundation or fabric, right? And then from there, you can pick and choose, and for the right application, for the right use case,
yes,
you've got options, right? You're not sort of pinned into the corner.
Absolutely, and that Copilot process, that orchestration of the process in Copilot stitches all this stuff together. Mm-hmm. Like Srikanth said, whatever the tech is, we can bring it in, right, and stitch it all together to make the end-to-end process work. I love that.
I love to hear, by the way, because it's easy as a marketer, myself admitted. We can present slideware all day,
right?
But you're actually using it. Mm-hmm. It's live.
It's real.
These things are real. So
right.
Glad you're on it, and again, enjoy the show, and thanks for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me.
Thanks,
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Cheers.